How to replace a Human Touch Novo Flex back cover. You will need a standard and short-handled Phillips head screwdriver, preferably magnetized. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 screws that secure the top of the back cover to the chair. Using a short-handled Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 screws that secure the bottom of the back cover to the chair. Pull the back cover downward and then toward you to remove it. Now, let's replace it. Place the back cover into position, aligning the screw holes. Make sure there is a gap between the lower edge of the cover and the horizontal chair frame. Replace the 4 screws to secure the back cover to the chair. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.